Gotta take the whole front end apart to put 2 wires in. Fire, dude. You know what's not sick?
What, Noah?
Why is Nissan not stocking valve cover gaskets? The guy was
I don't care about your drift slut, bro.
The guy was a fucking chode too, dude. I like the small rating one so much more.
Yeah.
Gonna hollow it in and put LEDs in it, bro. Fire. Oh, we're putting the... So Adam's projectors that came with his car came with an extra set that have the bulb and harness already all hooked up, ready for plug and play. Because that seems to be the ongoing theme of the channel now. Plug and play, dude. So we're gonna play, we're gonna plug, you know? Fire, dude.
Why do actual mods when you can just plug and play?
Exactly.
I really thought that was gonna break.
Same.
Especially when you said don't break.
Just a minute, dude. Don't worry about it.
Oh, fire.
Fire, dude. Okay. Fire, dude. Where's those harnesses at? It's gonna be sick when we put all this in and it doesn't work. At least we tried.
Such a weird system for headlights.
I know.
It's fucking bunk, dude. Oh yeah, you're probably wondering where the cameraman is. Fucking blew it once again, man.
Dude. He's really not fired.
He's fired.
Should be fired. Do a quick test. A little test run.
See if it works?
Yeah. Probably not.
We should have done that with the head unit yesterday before we installed it.
Yeah, that would have been sick.
Dude. What?
Does it work?
The middle one is.
Yeah, okay, good enough.
Go high beams. Yeah, oh wait, go high beams. Put your high beams on.
They are on.
What the fuck? This shit possessed, man.
What's happening?
Oh wait, now your high beams on.
Fire, dude.
High beams?
Do it again? Why is it like switch?
I don't know. So this is high beams on. High beams on. High beams on.
What the fuck?
High beams on.
Dude, turn the headlights on.
That is on.
Headlights? Just headlights, no high beams. I say we run it.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you do it the same way the other ones do, on the opposite. Now you got fit them in like me on it. Push it real good.
See, like that's what I was trying to get yours to do, but it wouldn't click in.
Okay, Noah's gonna put this headlight together, then we're gonna slap it on because the camera's about to overheat.
Fire, dude. Yeah, okay, I think that's shit. The fucking corner light popped out again. Are you serious?
Dude, this is so JDM.
Mad JDM. Fuck.
Look at this guy, can't even handle fire, dude.
It's too fire.
Okay, yeah, hit me with some headlights, dude. Okay, so it's one outside, one's on. Other side's not on.
Oh, decent. Well, the bulbs could just be burnt out.
Dude, do you even need headlights?
Not really. One's good enough.
Hit this with some fucking high beams,
I
dude.
didn't even plug that corner light in. Okay, high beam.
Hit this with some fucking high beams, dude. Oh, both high beams work though.
Really?
Honestly, just drive around with
I'll just drive around with high beams on. Yeah, that's
yeah, because
decent.
that's not even bright at all.
Yeah. At least it's like drivable at night.
Yeah, dude.
When I'm getting on that late night tubes on the mountains, dude.
Oh, fire! So JDM, dude.
And then when the new ones come, I'll actually take the time to figure it out.
Okay, dude.
Just want to get this thing on the road, dude. Why is there so many cars now?
I don't know what the fuck's going on, man. You're gonna explain what's going on
Okay,
here.
anyways, we were gonna make this a separate video, but we'll just put it in this video. You can make a Silvia bash bar out of a stock pop-up bash bar pretty easily. All you gotta do, drill out the spot welds on these two pieces, hammer it off, and then you're gonna take an angle grinder and you're gonna cut to here and to here, and then this hole down there, you're gonna drill that out to 3/8, and then come in here. Once this is off, slot this, and then you hammer in this piece to clearance for your bumper like signal lights. And that's about it, dude. Then you can run this on your Silvia front end. No need to spend $200 on a bash bar, dude. This could get scary real quick, dude.
Ball welds are drilled out, gonna fucking hammer it now.
Okay, so once you have this piece off,
You do that on both sides.
yeah, you gotta do it on both sides. I'm pretty sure the reason you take this off is because your signal light sits right here. Honestly, yeah, I think it's just bumper
The bumper
clearance.
probably doesn't fit around there.
Yeah, because the Silvia bumpers, they stick out less than the shark nose and pig nose, 1VF front ends or whatever the fuck. Give this a fresh coat of gold after, dude. Fire!
Put it on a guard on it.
This material in here needs to be widened. So we're just gonna follow this line to like here, I think. I don't really know. Hammer this whole thing down, same on both sides.
Hammer what down?
This piece in here, like I said before, extend this because it sits in further on Silvia's, and then you already have the hole you need, whatever it is. I can't see right now, but in there. All right, dude. This could get ugly real quick, dude.
No guard on the angle grinder, dude?
Fuck. I hate it, dude. Fuck, yeah, I'm actually scared to do this. Yeah, I'm one-handing it. This is so fucked. What the fuck? Oh, I don't like that. Like, I'm gonna fucking file it if it's not. Like, I'm not using this thing anymore. That was fucked. It's almost the same width as this, so it should be fine. Like, imagine just looking at it like this when it's fucking spinning. Like,
Dude, I did the whole break.
when's the blade gonna break, dude? When's it gonna go into my fucking face? Metal Fab 101, brother. Yeah, dude. That's what you want.
Camera overheated and died, but freaking put it on.
Dude, if I were to like get in a crash, I trust this thing would fucking save my life, dude.
Yeah. Looks very solid.
So fucking solid, dude. Oh, fire. Just set these in here real nice and snug. That's fire, dude. Who needs bumpers, dude? Because bumpers are fucking lame, remember? That's hooked up. Ready to shoot, dude. Street legal, dude.
This looks so tits. Why would you ever put a bumper over this shit? You don't want to hide this craftsmanship. What kind of meals we got, dude?
I don't know. Let's take a scope here. What we get this week, dude?
Unboxing.
Pork and Parmesan patties.
That sounds...
Sweet pan hoisin chicken and veggies. Cheesy beef peppercorn. Oh, that sounds fire, dude.
Enchiladas, dude.
Paunchy ladies, dude. Oh, fire. What are we doing again? Oh, yeah. Exhaust.
Signals. No, test out the signals, dude.
Looks pretty fire, dude. No bumpers. Fucking sick.
You don't want to cover up all this fab work, brother.
It's pretty fire if I do say so myself, dude.
Save myself 160 bones, dude.
Well, you already bought a bash bar, so... Good thing you didn't cut it so you can resell it.
Fuck. Fuck you, Cannon Post, bending a bash bar on the goddamn mail.
Cannon Post fucks the boys.
Must be
daily.
treating it like absolute shit if a bash bar comes fucking warped.
Okay, test out these signals, brother.
Alright, true.
Will they work? Probably not.
Definitely not. Alright, dude, left?
Is it on?
Yeah. Right?
Oh, that one works.
Left?
Nah, dude. The one works, though.
Looks like I can only take right-hand turns, dude.
Lefts are for losers anyway.
Fuck.
Okay, so we got the left headlight working and the right signal light working. I think you're set.
Well, a lot of that could just be bulbs because these are just shit's all pieced together.
Fire mod. Fire. This vlogger setup. What's up, Moist fam? It's really shaky because this thing's heavy as fuck. Oh, this is a Colby spec, man.
Really heavy, dude.
Is it?
Yeah.
Dude, just lift the whole car really quick.
Oh. Any damage?
I don't think so.
Yeah. I don't know why that happened, but looking decent. All right, so I think that's about all I wanted to do today. Kind of just like tidying up the loose ends. The exhaust, we're just gonna wait until I have the valve cover gasket so we can actually move the car, because it'll be a lot easier to get it jacked up when it's on flat ground and not literally a foot away from the bush. Yeah, so honestly, after valve cover gasket, get the exhaust back on and bleed the front brakes, this thing will be ready to hit the streets, man. Bumper and side skirts are coming pretty quick. That'll be exciting. Yeah, what do you think, dude? Not the most fire video today, but still got some shit done. What do you figure?
I think you did some mods.
I think that went...
Any day you do some mods, I think is a good day.
Dude, that
keep moving forward.
That went surprisingly well, dude.
The Bashbar mod?
The whole thing, like, we didn't really hit any fucking mad setbacks, dude.
Except, like, not the headlights working or the signals.
They work, but they don't work.
Dude.
They work, but they don't.
Any day you do a little bit of progress, it's going in the right direction.
Dude.
Which is moving forward.
I can cross this off my goals board, dude.
Your dream board, dude.
Fuck, dude. Fuck. Anyways.
So far. So far.
Stay tuned for the next video when we get a non-car guy to try and install some mods into Adam's car. It's gonna be fire, dude.
Bit worried he's gonna fuck it up, dude.
I'm gonna fuck up the whole thing, dude.
But you know what? It's for the Moist fam.
Holy shit, man. Why is this so dark? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, maybe it was fine. I don't know.
Dude, whose fucking Egg McMuffin wrapper just flew across the street? I bet it came out of the mud slot, dude.
No doubt. Okay,
Anyway.
I'm gonna bolt the fenders on off camera.
Yeah. That's it, Moist fam. Make sure you fucking subscribe. Actually, you know what? Take a moment right now. Hit the subscribe button. Hit it. While you're there, just over to your left a bit is the like button. Hit that shit too. Come on, Moist Army.
No, you didn't say that, man.
Come on, Moist fam.
That's
Moist
fire,
Army.
Dude. Fire, dude.
If you're gonna be fire, then you better fucking subscribe, okay? Also, let us know if you want some fire vinyls. We can make fire vinyls. Wouldn't that be fire, dude?
Don't even ask, because you already know they're fucking dropping, dude.
Oh, shit, dude. Trust.
All the orders that came back to us have gone out. Shipped
No
them
cap,
out.
dude?
No cap. No, like, actually, seriously, people are probably wondering where the fuck their shit is. So we had that whole investigation thing with Canada Post. They were like, yeah, okay, we'll try and figure it out for you. They took like 10 days, business days, man, 2 weeks. And all they told us was it's not them, it's probably USPS. So they
And
were,
USPS is saying it's Canada Post.
yeah, so no one's really helping us at all. So we think we figured out a way to do it. So all that shit's coming to you guys now. Thanks for being patient. And that'll be sorted. Then we're sorting more shit to make shipping more effective to you guys for next drop. Anyways, skidoo, catch you in the next one. Peace out, Moist fam. Fuck.
Zara as fuck. Why is yours so pale, dude? Look at the color difference between our knee ribs. Why is mine like red?
You're a little burned. Dude, look at this. This is fire, dude.
It's pretty fire tan you got going.
Yeah, sick ass tan line, dude.
Fire.